Hey guys, it's Quinn, Elegance and 18 Wheels. We have just got an opportunity to ride along in these beautiful Kenworths that's right behind me. We're going to do the ride along. They're doing a test drive of the 100th Anniversary Signature Series trucks. And it is so cool. So we're going to follow one of the operators to show us what it's like and talk with us a little bit. And I think you might find it a little bit interesting. So let's jump right into it. And I've got Ryan that's right here that's going to work with me to show me what this is all about. Check out the new Kenworth 2023 W-900l. Check it out, guys. Ryan, what's going on, man?
Hey, we're just here at the Louisville Truck Show, Mid-American Truck Show.
And I see that we've got some test driving vehicles that's behind you. Tell me a little bit about this whole program of the test drive.
Sure. So for those that don't know, Kenworth was first brought to being in 1923.
Yep.
So this is our 100th year anniversary, and we want to kick it off with something a little bit special. So behind me here, we have one of our W-900 limited editions. So these are for 2023 only. So it's a 1 year limited edition model. We're only building 900 this year.
Wow.
This is number 4 of 900. We actually also have number 1 of 900 inside our booth in the show. But we're doing we're doing ride and drives out here, and everybody's getting to experience this. And
a little bit about this particular application in conjunction to the ones of this that came before you.
So you mean compared to the regular W900s?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Well, first of all, there's not really anything regular about a W900.
Exactly.
That is it is already a very special truck. It's already very much a premium truck. This has been our icon really for the last several decades. Right? When people think Kenworth, this is what they're thinking of.
Exactly.
A few special things with this truck, though. I mean, there's a lot of small details that go into this special edition. Really, starting from the outside, you can see the big thing that gives it away is this special edition paint scheme.
Yes.
So this is brand new. It is only available on the limited edition W900s.
Okay.
The other thing, it's kind of subtle, but you'll notice that the wheels are special as well. This is brand new for this year. Again, you can't get these unless you are getting a special edition W900.
Okay.
Or we actually have a signature edition, the T680 as well. Same wheels are available, but either way, those are special. Both of those. Special badging gives that away, as well as the exhaust stack. So we've always done custom exhaust stacks, or the exhaust stacks will say Kenworth. In order to get the Kenworth 100, if you ever see this going down the road, you know it's one of 900.
Awesome.
If we want to hop inside, I can show you around inside and what's special there.
And guys, we're going to do just that. Why don't we hop in and we're going to take a test drive here.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
All right, so this is the inside of the limited edition 900.
Okay.
Like I said before, I mean, really, this truck is already a premium truck, but there's a few things that are going to set this apart from the typical W900. First, you'll notice that the dash surround, that's a platinum color, right, to celebrate the 100-year anniversary.
Okay.
You'll notice on the both doors, you've got the Kenworth 100 logo.
Yes.
The seats, the red accents, as well as the nice little Kenworth 100 tags here. If you look behind you,
yes,
if you can see in the dark there, you've got the special back wall of the limited edition. Things like that, steering wheel stitching, and then last but certainly not least, we've got our plaque showing you which serial you have of the 900.
Okay.
So that kind of rounds out the main features of the limited edition.
So it's got the same drivetrain, same transmission.
Yep. So this truck has one of our Cummins X15s.
Okay.
Paired with an 18-speed Eaton manual.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of our show trucks anymore, you're not seeing the manual transmission.
No,
we wanted to make
no.
sure that was in this truck. I mean, this is the true enthusiast truck,
Exactly.
and that's what we want to showcase.
And
So-
I love the accents that
Yep.
bring this particular application out, and it'll be interesting to take this test drive.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's
Hop
do
in.
it. So Ryan, how many actual drives do you think you'll be doing at the show this year? Or are you expecting to?
You know, I lost count, but we have been going non-stop all day, which is really, really cool.
Okay.
This is the first time I have personally done the ride and drive,
Uh-huh.
and it's been pretty eye-opening. I think people really love this truck. Everybody's appreciative that we have it out here.
Uh-huh.
And it's limited edition. Everybody wants to say that, hey, I got to drive one of the 900s.
So why is it they're only doing the 900 run on it instead of say 1,000? Is it a particular reason that they chose the 900 number?
Oh yeah, it's a W-900.
Exactly. That's what I was hoping you were
Yeah,
going to say.
that's it. It's the iconic number, so we have to.
So Ron, let me ask you this. It's been, of course, there's always been rumors about Kenworth dropping the W9 from the series.
Yes.
Is there any truth to that?
You know, as of right now, it's still going.
Okay. Okay.
You know, we'll see. We've had to make some updates to make sure that we can still produce the truck,
Mm-hmm.
and you know we've done that. We've invested in it, but you know there's going to be. I don't know when the end of the life is going to be yet. I've actually had that question all day, just about every drive.
Okay. Okay.
But as of right now, we don't have any firm plans on when it's going to be discontinued.
Okay.
So it will live to see another day.
And guys, we're actually rolling around the convention center. Ryan's actually handling this beautifully, and
Pure luck. don't jinx it.
so with everyone gawking at you and being the star of the show, how does it feel, right?
Oh, it's a little bit nerve-wracking, you know? Am I clear there?
Yep. You got it.
Yeah, there's a lot of people who have a lot of knowledge and a lot of passion on these trucks, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
want to make sure I don't screw up too bad. So far, so good.
So one of the key things that a lot of the audience is going to be wondering, what is the ballpark figure on something like this? Is that something we can talk about?
I will give you a very rough ballpark. These,
Okay.
From what I have seen on the market, these have been going for around 280.
Okay. Okay.
You know, that's obviously plus or minus depending on what options they have.
Mhm.
Right? They can go up, they can go down, but that's about where I've seen. So I've been very interested myself on where these end up.
And like I said, we're actually tooling around the show floor here now, guys, and you can see some of the trucks.
This is one of my favorites. Every time I go by here, everybody's always looking.
And with the signature trailer and everything on it, it's
Yeah.
kind of like an icon rolling through. So
Absolutely. I like it out here. You know, it's fun when people get in the truck and actually drive it. You know, a lot of what I'm finding is a lot of people have always wanted to own a Kenworth, wanted to drive a Kenworth.
yes.
And this will be their first time in a Kenworth, right? And they're super excited to be here. It's just really cool to experience that. I actually had one gentleman in here earlier this afternoon who is here, doesn't have a CDL, is working on a CDL, so I drove him around kind of like this.
Uh-huh.
And he was telling me he got started by running the American Truck Simulator on the computer. And that really got him into it. And I thought that was just the coolest thing, you know?
So we're going to be doing. We're one of the major photographers that's going to be at the Chillicothe 100th anniversary event that's coming up.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Will you be there?
I will be.
All right.
There, excuse me. Very much looking forward to that. We've got a pretty good lineup. I've been fairly involved with helping plan that.
Yes.
It's gonna
With
be
Jack,
fun.
with Jack and Tom Arnold's actually been
Yep.
the key figures that's associated with that.
If anybody that's watching, if you happen to be anywhere in the area near Chillicothe, what is it, June
17th.
June 17th.
June 17th.
Absolutely worth coming
Oh,
to check out.
absolutely.
We're going to have a parade downtown that evening, and it's going to be off the chain.
It is going to be. Guys, as you all know, we were there and we did the parade last year. We did the tour of the plant, and it was indeed an absolute awesome adventure. So this year with the celebration of the 100th, it's going to be something else. So as we winding down to the end of our little ride and everything, and Ryan has operated this vehicle exquisitely, I want to thank him for the opportunity to do this video and let us do the ride along. And Ryan, is there anything else that you would like to let our audience know about?
No, I just want to give a shout out to all the Kenworth fans out there.
Yep.
They have really made this a special event. I think it's so cool. This gets lost sometimes just doing the daily grind and
Yes.
working for Kenworth.
Yes.
And coming out here and seeing all the passion everybody has for these trucks. I don't know. It's really cool, and it's really something special. So, all the Kenworth fans out there, you guys really make us who we are. We appreciate it.
Well, guys, we're about to pull back into the dock now, and we're gonna take a walk around the truck and see just what this bad boy looks like on the outside as well. Ryan, thank you so very much for this opportunity, man, and it was a smooth sail, and wow.
Most of it.
Thanks again, and I will see you in June.
You got it.
In Chillicothe.
You got it. Come find me.
All right. I told you. What do you think? It's nice, right? It's beautiful application of truck. It was a beautiful ride. Ryan, I want to thank you personally for giving us that tour and giving us the ride around the convention center. We had an absolute blast, and we look forward to seeing you down in Chillicothe this June for the 100th anniversary there. So guys, it's Quinn, Elegance 18 Wheels, riding along with Kenworth's 100th anniversary Signature Series W-900l. We'll see you later, guys. We've got more show to come to you.